Hello, this is Mrs. Vaughn. I'm here with a short video to help with stoichiometry problem solving. In this video, we're going to be looking at using the dimensional analysis method for solving problems. The most important thing in any stoichiometry problem is that we make sure that we're using a balanced chemical equation. We've been provided one here in orange. Our example problem says, if 1.5 moles of carbon monoxide is reacted completely, how many moles of nitrogen will be produced? As I mentioned, we're going to be using the dimensional analysis method. In this method, we're going to introduce consecutive conversion factors until we get to the unit that we want. The unit that we have is 1.5 moles of carbon monoxide. The unit we want is going to be moles of nitrogen. So let's get started. We must first write down our given information, and we're going to put that over 1. So our given information was that we have 1.5 moles of carbon monoxide. Now our conversion factor that we're going to use is going to be our mole ratio. So our mole ratio here is going to be exactly the same as our coefficients of our balanced equation. So since I have moles of carbon monoxide on the top in my given set, I need to cancel that out. So that means it has to go on the bottom of my conversion factor. So that's how I've set it up. The number 2 is my mole ratio number for carbon monoxide. It is exactly the same as my coefficient. The top part of my conversion factor is going to be a new unit. In this case, since we're using a mole ratio, we're going to be able to go directly to the unit that we want, which is going to be moles of nitrogen. Since I have moles of carbon dioxide on the top and on the bottom of this problem, I'm able to cancel that out, which leaves only the moles of nitrogen, which is what we want. So my final answer, I'm going to solve by solving the top numbers, multiply those together, and then I would multiply the bottom numbers together, and I'm going to have to make sure that I keep those separate so that I can have my top numbers divided by my bottom numbers to get my final answer, which in this case is going to be 0.75 moles of nitrogen, which represents the moles that we wanted. So in dimensional analysis, we're going to take our given, use conversion factors to eliminate our current unit, introduce a new unit, and keep going until we get the unit that we want. But if you have any question, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I will do anything I can to help you. Thank you and good luck.